Hello people, it's a very good morning in the middle of California and I have steam out of my mouth because it's early morning and it's a little bit freezing. I can see snow on top of the surrounding hills and I'm looking forward to another day. I found an amazing vegetarian place yesterday and they are just I cannot believe they exist, honestly, because it's like having food in the ashram but in the modern setting and in the middle of real civilization, real life. That is so awesome. I'm gonna have breakfast with them as well. So yeah, packing for today and we'll be on the road for another couple of hours today. Okay, so this is the place I was talking about. Where is my motorcycle? They are located in Frazier's Park near Bakersfield. It's a nice setting in the hills and their approach to the food is just all about love and kindness, but through the food. I cannot describe that, but it feels so good. It is related to Indian culture a lot. But overall, it's all about well-being and treating people well and kindly. They are amazing. I wish there were more places like this. And these waffles are multi-grain, whole grain. Okay, thank you, the amazing and spiritual place, for my breakfast. I'm going back home, but first gas. Unfortunately, motorcycle does not ride without gas. And yesterday when it was a strong wind, the gas consumption it's like was twice as high as usually because of the winds. So yeah, I had to stop often. Hopefully it's a little bit better today, but it's very cold. I'm waiting for my motorcycle to show me the temperature. Okay, here we go. It's 35. 35 means freezing, almost. It's like almost 0 Celsius. It's 1 Celsius or like that. Okay, let's get out of the mountains. Should be better. And I was thinking about starting at 5 a.m. I'm sure it was below 0 at 5 a.m. because it was even before the sunrise. Oh wow, look at these clouds above mountains. Wow, that is the morning. I love that. I don't really mind cold, but the view is worth it. And I made it home almost. All good. And thank you, Mexico, for an amazing adventure. Yeah, when I say home, I mean that I have an Airbnb here for a couple of days, and also my public storage is here, and my car is somewhere around. Yeah, but for the next couple of days, I will be figuring out the logistics for next adventures. my next moves. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for watching this. Love you and see you next Sunday.